let me see your brake lights.
What is that? What the fuck came out of your exhaust?
Hey.
What's up?
I was trying to get out of the shop, but then
We hopped right
like
into
the main
I see
focus.
you already got, you know,
me,
gotten started.
Luke Schaefer, the
Yep.
alcoholic.
For sale? Put that on the blog. It's for sale.
This thing came out sick, dude. This is the first time you guys have seen the car.
Dude, I had the spray for you, Alex. It's at my house. I totally forgot about it.
It's for sale, so hit me up if you want it. 20K. As it, man.
We're not vlogging today, man. We're having a good day, man. No, I'm just kidding. Alex, flipstick ball guy.
Yeah.
Flipstick ball. Kendama. Burley. Kendama King. I never know the word for that.
If you guys were wondering what my wheels would look like real, that's what they look like right here. What is up, guys, and welcome to another exciting episode of Boosted Rides and Power Slides. And as you can see, we got a parking garage full of cars. We are all gonna roll out caravan to our meet in Huntington. You guys haven't seen it here on YouTube, but if you've been following me on Instagram and everything else, you would have seen all the posts for this meet today. It's not gonna be like a huge ass show. I don't know how many people are actually gonna be there, but it's gonna be a cool little meet. This is already a cool little meet. But we're gonna caravan, we're probably gonna throw the camera on the window and watch everybody roll out, and it'll be super fun. We'll see you guys when we get down to Huntington. And we missed the light, and there was like 4 of us that missed the light, and you guys just fucking dipped out on the freeway.
Yeah.
Never made my ground back.
Once we started mobbing, we did not stop mobbing.
Yeah.
That drove by, we're fucking loud.
I missed the fucking caravan. Apparently it was lit, but
It was lit. My car trip is probably the guy.
You probably should have parked my business for you.
Ow! Fuck Tyler!
this meet is really starting to pick up now. We went to go eat, and now there's a bunch of cars. So we're gonna probably start filming. Probably gonna start shooting some cars now before it gets a little bit too crazy. The Popo's already back right here. We'll see what happens. How do you feel about the meet?
Good, now that I ate.
I thought the society wasn't even gonna be here.
So my camera's
What's up, Tyler?
How you guys doing? How you doing, Brian?
Doing good, dude. We're doing really good.
Yeah, how do you guys like the meet so far?
I love it. Came out pretty sick.
Hype?
The ones who host are fucking whack, dude.
The hosts are whack.
Yeah, the hosts are fucking whack. They're super fucking gay.
Yeah. Like it. I love you.
Yeah, you do? Cool.
Love you too.
Thank you.
I love your work.
Hey, thanks, man. Doing good, how you doing? Alright guys, so it's time to meet the man of the hour. This is Kevin, is this not your shitty meat? Bruh, this guy is so how do you feel about your meat?
I don't know, I feel satisfied.
Hey, bruh, where did you get that? Was Taco Bell?
Del Taco.
Yes, Del Taco.
Bro, I left and the lady was like, just don't leave next time. I was trying to ask you if I could leave and you didn't fucking respond to me. I don't know what you want me to do. But I left and I came back. Yeah. Well, this girl's whipping right here, dude. Whipping the whole team.
You run 5 deep?
No, never. She has like strawberries in it. Look at that, bro. How am I supposed to drink it? How am I supposed to drink this if I have shit stuck in my straw, bro? Fucking so sick.
Apparently we're coming to look at this E30 because it's fucking sick. This thing is actually super sick. This thing is super sick. If this is your car,
Oh, I already met
fucking, you're cool. You're cool as fuck.
Pure Paul?
You're cool as fuck, bro. This thing is sick. I don't mean to shit on anybody, but Evan from Throttle, bruh. Damn. This thing is cool. Hey, I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I gotta break the honest truth, people. People were wrecking you. People in our group of friends were wrecking you for your 1-inch pipes.
Well, the shop didn't have my blast pipes yet. I don't know what you want me to do. They didn't have them yet. But everyone knows my plan. I'm gonna get 3-inch ones and I'm gonna put them on. But those are the temporary ones that I have for now.
What's up, bruh?
What up, dude?
What are you filming over here? What you doing?
For my page, bro, follow me at its_just_berry. Don't just put _berry. Put it's just_berry. Everyone messes up with that.
We'll have it on the screen because he does some pretty dope shit too.
Thank you.
Look at that Chuck.
Got Red Bull out
Where are we
here.
going, Kevin?
We're sponsored by Red Bull.
Sweet, free Red Bulls.
See how it is over here.
That's what we do. I don't know if you guys can see that. That right there is a tow truck with a car on it. Rip to the guy getting towed back there. That's unfortunate, man.
Oh, okay. How do you sunburn? Oh! That one? Yeah.
I was just gonna come look for you.
Oh really?
What are you doing today? How have you been?
It's about how my life's been going.
That was it.
There you go! There you go!
We're about to get lit.
Look how serious they look. Did you see them? It's like a standoff. Yeah, they're like...
Yeah, my boy made it. No tickets.
Wow. What you do is not be dicks to the cops.
Yeah, move out of the way.
Get fucking moved.
What the fuck? White Kid S2K? That's what it is, right?
Wicked S2K.
White Kid S2K. Wicked S2K.
We started some.
He's getting wrecked. And they're about to do more fucking burnout. Guys, this party has been way too fucking lit. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Smash that like button. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Subscribe. And we'll catch you guys next time. We're out. To you as White Kid S2K.
It's Wicked S2K.
Yeah.
Let's clear that up. Let's clear that up.